Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Student Chopal. Today we will discuss about the CBI APP previous year question paper held on 25 November 2017. Before starting the paper, I request to all of you, please subscribe the channel, do like, comment and share with your friends. You can also join our Telegram channel for PDF and latest update. So without wasting time, let's start the video. And first question is, original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court to the exclusion of any other court does not include any dispute. Option A is between Government of India and one or more states. Option B is between Government of India and any state or states on the one hand and one or more other states on the other hand. Option C is in relation to election of President of India. Option D is between Government of India and civil servants as to constitutional validity of service rule. And correct option is option number D. Next question, in which one of the following cases the Supreme Court upheld the constitutional validity of national award like Bharat Ratna, holding that these awards do not amount of titles within the meaning of Article 18 of the Constitution of India. Option A is Balaji Raghavan versus Union of India. Option B is Mohni Jain versus State of Karnataka. Option C is D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. Option D is J.P. Unni Krishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh. And correct option is option A, Balaji Raghavan versus Union of India. Next question, in which one of the following fundamental rights cannot be suspended when a proclamation of emergency is in operation? Option A, Article 19 and Article 21. Option B, Article 32 and Article 226. Article 20 and Article 21. And option D is Article 19 and Article 20. And correct option is Article 20 and Article 21, option number C. Next question, in which one of the following cases the Supreme Court, while recognizing the Muslim woman's right to maintenance for the first time, observed a uniform civil code will help the cause of national integration by removing disparate loyalties to law which have conflict ideologies? Option A, Samim Ara versus State of Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Daniel Latifi versus Union of India. Option C, Mohammad Ahmed Khan versus Sahibano Begum. Option D, K. Junaidin versus Amina Begum. Correct option is C, Mohammad Ahmed Khan versus Sahibano Begum. Next question, doctrine of eclipse pertaining of fundamental rights has originated from which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India? Option A, Article 32. Option B, Article 21. Option C, Article 19. Option D, Article 13. And correct option D, option 13. Next question, the power of the Supreme Court of India to punish for contempt of itself is traceable for which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India? Option A, Article 215. Option B, Article 128. Option C, Article 129. Option D, Article 131. And correct option, Article C, 129. Next question, which one of the following is a directive principle of state policy under the Constitution of India? Option A, to safeguard public property and to abjure violence. Option B, equal justice and free legal aid. Option C, to value and preserve the rich heritage of India's composite culture. Option D, to provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years. Correct option B, equal justice and free legal aid. Next question, which constitutional amendment is relevant to the goods and service tax? And option A, Constitution 19th Amendment Act, and option B, Constitution 100th Amendment Act, Constitution 101 Amendment, and Constitution 102 Amendment Act. And correct option is option number C. Next question, which one of the following statement is not correct? And correct option is option number B. Next question, which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? Option A, Goods and Services Tax Council, Article 279A. Option B, Taxes on Sales of Petroleum Crude, List 1 of 7 Schedule. Option number C, Duties of Excise on Petroleum Crude produced in India, List 2nd of 7 Schedule. Option D, Duties of Excise on Tobacco produced in India, List 3rd of 7 Schedule. Correct option is option A, Goods and Service Tax Council, Article 279A. Next question, Article 246A of the Constitution of India, and contains a non-obstant clause, thereby overrides Article 254, confers exclusive power on the Parliament with respect to taxes on goods and services in the course of interstate trade and commerce, and the legislature of a state has been given power to make laws for taxes on all goods and services. And correct option is B, 1 and 2 only. Next question, the doctrine of double jeopardy is enshrined under which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India? Option A, Article 21. Option B, Article 20. Two. Option C, Article 20 first. Option D, Article 22 first. And correct option B, Article 20 second. Next question, in which one of the following cases the Supreme Court of India held that the right to privacy is a part of right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution of India? Option A, K.S. Puttaswamy case. Option B, MP Sharma case. Option C, Binoy Vishwam case. Option D, Karak Singh case. Correct option number A, K.S. Puttaswamy case. Next question, for making reservation in promotion in public employment under Article 16 of the Constitution of India, which of the following are the essential requirements? And correct option number D, 1 and 2. 1, 2 and 3. Backwardness, inadequate representation, and maintenance of efficiency in service. All of the above was correct. 15. In which one of the following matters the Supreme Court cannot issue direction of the governments? Option A, for protecting children from drug abuse. Option B, for collecting necessary quantifiable data of SC/ST candidates in civil services for giving them reservation in promotion, for protecting good Samaritans who wish to help victim to road accident, for banning sale of liquor on national and state highway. Correct option is option number B. Next question, a joint session of parliament is not envisaged in which one of the following situation? Option A, if a bill has been totally rejected by one of the houses of parliament. Option B, when a bill passed by Lok Sabha is partially modified by Rajya Sabha with regard to imposition of a tax. Option C, when the houses have disagreed as to the amendments to be made in the bill. Option D, when a bill seeking to create a new state has been passed by one house and the same is not passed by the other house. Correct option is option number B. Next question, question number 17. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding the validity of any law relating to delimitation of constituencies made under Article 327 of the Constitution of India? Option A, can be challenged and tested only before the Supreme Court of India. Option B, can be tested before the Supreme Court of India or before the concerned High Court. Option C, can be challenged before the Law Commission of India. Option D, cannot be called in question before any court of law. Correct option is option number D, cannot be called in questions before any court of law. Next question, question number 18. The decision in Quixote Holoha versus Jetchilu is an example of the application of the doctrine of option A, eclipse, option B, pith and substance, option D, colorable legislation, option D, severability. And correct option is option number D, severability. Next question, question number 19. In which one of the following cases the Supreme Court of India articulated the right to speedy trial? Option A, Vineet Narain versus Union of India. Option D, Husainara Khatun versus Home Secretary, State of Bihar. Option C, D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. Option D, Prem Shankar Shukla versus Delhi Administration. And correct option is option number B, Husaina Khatun versus Home Secretary, State of Bihar, Husainara Khatun. And next question, number 20. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Option A, the goods and services tax in respect of interstate trade is levied by the Government of India. Option B, the goods and services tax in respect of interstate trade is collected by the Government of India. Option C, the goods and services tax in respect of interstate trade is divided between the Government of India and state government. Option D, the goods and services tax in respect of interstate trade form parts of the Consolidated Fund of India. And the correct option is option number D, the goods and services tax in respect of interstate trade forms part of the Consolidated Fund of India. Next, question number 21. Which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India ensure the continuance of a pre-constitutional law? And correct option is option number C, Article 372. In which one of the following cases did the Supreme Court of India refuse to exercise its power to issue direction to the complete justice in a case pending before it? Option A, Swaraj Abhiyan case regarding tackling drought in the country. Option B, Lakshmi case regarding compensation to victims of acid attack. Option C, Nidhi Kam, also known as Vyapam, case regarding a student admitted illegally to medical courses. Option D, Common Cause case regarding government advertisement. And correct option is option number C, Nidhi Kam Vyapam case regarding a student admitted illegally to medical courses. Next, question number 23. Which one of the following action of the state is not permitted under Article 15 of the Constitution of India prohibiting discrimination? And option A, making any special provision for different able children. Option B, making any special provision for admission of socially and educationally backward classes. Option C, making any special provision for admission of socially and educationally backward classes and STs and SC and STs minority educational institutional. Option D, making any special provision for admission of especially and educationally backward classes and SCs and STs to private educational institution, whether aided or unaided by the state other than minority institution. And the correct option is option C, making any special provision for admission of socially and educationally backward classes and SCs and STs to minority education institution. Next, question number 24. Which one of the following rights is not guaranteed in Article 22, first and second of the Constitution of India? Option A, the right to be informed of a ground of arrest. Option B, the right to consult and to be represented by a lawyer of his own choice. Option C, the right to be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours. Option D, the right of an arrested person under preventive detention legislation. And the correct option number D, the right of an arrested person under preventive detention legislation. Next question 25. Which one of the following is not a privilege under Article 105? Option A, freedom from arrest on a criminal charge. Option B, right to exclude strangers from its proceedings. Option C, right to regulate internal proceeding. Option D, right to punish for contempt. And correct option number A, freedom from arrest on a criminal charge. Next question, which one of the following chapters of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 does not apply to the socio-economic offences or offences committed against a woman or a child below the age of 14 years? And correct option number A. Next, question number 27. Which one of the following section of the Code of Criminal Procedures 1973 is an analogous to the writ of habeas corpus? Option A, section 97. Option B, section 96. Option C, section 99. Option D, section 100. And correct option A, section 97. Next question 28. Which one of the following proposition of law is correct as per the law laid down in Lalita Kumari versus Government of UP and other cases 2014 to section 1st? Option A, police has discretion to register FIR. Option B, police can hold a preliminary inquiry before registering FIR. Option C, it is mandatory for the police to register FIR unless the case falls in the exceptions. Option D, it is absolutely mandatory for the police to register FIR without exception. And the correct option number C, it is mandatory for the police to register FIR unless the case falls in the exception. And the next question 29. Which one of the following statement is not correct? And correct option of question 29 is option number D. And the next question number 30. Under section 95 of the Code of Criminal Procedures 1973, certain publication can be forfeited and search warranted can be issued for the same in this context. Which of the following are the correct legal propositions? So correct option of question number 13 is option number C, 2 and 3 only. 2. A book can be forfeited and search warrant can be issued for the same. And third is a document can be forfeited and search warranted can be issued for the same. This is enough for today. For next part, please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.